this.
Hello everyone, we are Team 16 and today we are excited to present our project on the encroachment detection system, a breakthrough in urban land management. With the globalization and free trade agreements, there is an enhancement in trade and the investment opportunities. Various enterprises experienced exponential growth. In such an era of rapid growth and expansion, it is important to preserve the integrity of the industrial areas, commercial complexes, and various infrastructure bodies. It is crucial to safeguard the portfolio of this enterprise. Hence, they can focus more on their actual operations, which is essential for their global supply chain and contribute a major part of their revenue. Existing security and monitoring systems are majorly driven by the human capital and often fall short of providing comprehensive and cost effective solutions.
The envisioned drone-based encroachment detection system is designed to safeguard real estate assets of enterprises such as industrial complex, manufacturing plants, power generation plants, warehouses, ports from encroachment to avoid unauthorized activities and safety of the properties. It is automated using drone technology to reduce human efforts and provide capabilities such as real-time tracking, monitoring, auditing, and reporting, ensuring the security compliance within the perimeter of the real estate. So the key features of the system. Key feature of our system is the AI algorithm, which can distinguish between normal and encroaching activities with high accuracy. We also have an integrated alert system, immediately notifying the authorities upon detection of encroachment. Our mobile app allows for real-time monitoring and reporting, enhancing community involvement. Lastly, the system's scalability ensures it can be adapted from various urban environments.
We designed this cyber physical system according to the questions 4+1 view models. These are our views. This is our logical views. So it will provide overview of the logical view of the architecture. Then next, this is our process view. It is kind of providing a high level overview of the complete process within the system. Next, this is our physical view. As you can see, we have three physical elements. First one is drone, then application server and data storage server. Next, and this is our development view. So we have decided to develop this particular system into three major parts. First one is in user interface development. Then there is data model training, and lastly we have the development of the drone programming, drone firmware. Next, our architecture excel in multiple scenarios. As you can see, we have the different use cases and the scenarios. Next, our architecture excel in system responsiveness, ensuring real-time data processing for immediate encroachment restriction, operational efficiency in paramount, with optimized resource use for cost-effective and energy-efficient operations. In data management and accessibility, we prioritize security, organized storage, and user-friendly access for quick information and decision-making. These attributes combine to make our system not just innovative, but exceptionally effective in practical applications. Next. This cyber physical system involves some risks such as accuracy issue and security vulnerabilities with the drone. And in some cases, drone may face adverse effect due to the weather as well. Next. Our architecture follow engineering one framework principle, integrate interdisciplinary approaches for robust and innovative solutions. This alignment ensure our system is not only technically sound but also adaptable and forward-thinking in the evolving field of urban security management. Also, we have a short demo on this. We used a Vivo simulator for drones. Basically, drone will get triggered by a scheduler application and it will start monitoring the industrial complex. As you can see, it is programmed to avoid all the entities within the permitted area. As soon as it leaves the outer area, the drone will enable the object detection algorithm. We have used YOLO, which is a state-of-the-art object detection algorithm, and it will process each frame. As soon as it will detect the encroachment, as you can see, it has detected the encroachment. It will send an alert to mobile application, and the security officer can intervene after the alert is received. Yeah, as you can see, it will send a picture of the encroachment with the GPS coordinates and the entity which is detected. Thank you.